Well, here we go again. I'm not sure why I tried it. Looks like I'm going hiking. Hey guys, just kidding. That was last time. This time's a different story.
Please subscribe and click the notification bell.
Today will be the first range test with the parabolic dishes. I've used them in other flights, but this is the first time I tried it for a long distance.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
This is my second Mavic Mini range test. My first test was on a much colder day, and this is also the first time I'm using parabolic dishes. 95% battery. Switching to sport mode. I wanted to point out the 95% battery because it's the exact same battery amount that I had in my first range test. Alright, here I go. So for those of you who didn't see my first range test, the temperature was around 21 degrees that day, and I had a battery issue in which the Mavic Mini landed by itself. So this time around I decided not to take any chances. In case I was forced to land the Mavic Mini, at least I'd have a road where I could drive up and grab it. Over a mile, Jake. Tell me weak signal.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
Over 2 miles, buddy. I'm gonna push it a little bit this time. Still at 60% battery, so okay, I'm farther than I've ever been. About 1,000 feet. I'm coming back.
Go home.
That's stressful, dude. It's almost down to filling duties. So when return to home was initiated, it was going to bring me back the shortest way possible. However, it was going across these fields where I wouldn't have access with my vehicle. And after the last test, I decided to go ahead and take over the controls and get it back to the road. Back under 2 miles. mile. Of course, the wind had to pick up right at the end of my flight. I made it, buddy. Did you land already? Yeah. Nice. Hey little guy, you made it.
Landing. Landing.